Are you looking to migrate your Odoo platform from the older version to new version? Look no further. All you have to do is watch this video till the end. Hi, I am Nishtha. Welcome you all to the video of Odoo Migration, where we transform your business from the old to extraordinary. Today, we are diving into the exciting process of migration. Before we delve into the process of migration, let's quickly understand why upgrading the latest version is crucial for your business, or why you should migrate to Odoo from other platforms. Odoo, as you may know, is a powerful and versatile open source business software. The latest version provides you new features, enhanced functionalities, and ensure the updated security version, which keeps your information safe and improves performance. Now let's walk through the steps of migrating Odoo from an older version to the latest and the greatest. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Assessment and planning. Every successful migration starts with a thorough assessment and planning phase. We analyze your current system, identify customization, third-party modules, and understand the unique business needs. It's not just about moving forward, it's about moving forward strategically. Module migration. Now comes the heart of migration, module migration. Our team carefully evaluates the modules, ensuring compatibility with the latest version. Custom modules are adjusted to the updated framework, ensuring a seamless integration of your existing functionalities. Test data migration and testing. We take a clone of your database and begin the migration process. This involves transferring the data from the old version to new version. Rigorous testing from our end follows to ensure the data integrity and system stability. User acceptance testing. It is now time to engage the user for the user acceptance testing phase. UAT is a pivotal step where you gain hands-on experience with the migrated database. Your feedback holds immense value in addressing lingering issues before the migrated database takes place. Once you confirm that the functioning is as intended, we'll proceed to schedule a planned downtime for the live database migration. Backup and preparation. Before migrating the live database, it's crucial to take the backup of the database in case of any issues occurs during the live database migration. We execute a robust strategy to safeguard your data. This step is crucial. It's your safety net in case of any unexpected challenges during the migration. Final migration. The moment has arrived. The final migration. With all checks and balances in place, we execute the migration process. It's a carefully organized dance with a minimal downtime and a smooth transition to your upgraded Odoo environment. Data validation and handover. Following the migration of the live database, your next step is to validate the data to ensure its proper migration and confirm correct functioning of all the migrated modules. During this phase, we establish the connection of your domain to the newly migrated database. Post-migration support. But our journey doesn't end here. Post-migration support is essential. Our dedicated team is on standby to assist with any issues, answer your questions, and ensure that your newly upgraded Odoo system performs at its best. Congratulations, you have successfully migrated. Your business is now equipped for the future. Ready to take a leap? Let's make it happen together. Contact us today and let's redefine what's possible for your business. Until then, stay upgraded, stay ahead. Found this video helpful? Do press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. Have any questions or need any kind of assistance? Feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.